Hey everyone, I promised you to do a video for the microphone amplifier, so here you go guys. This is the app itself, the microphone. It's called the microphone amplifier. There you go. So what I do is install it from Google Play. You just go to Google Play and then type, let me lower down the brightness a bit because that's too much for the screen. Microphone amplifier for Android or anything like that. It's the first one that comes up and it says it's installed. Don't look at the ratings. This is the one that I tested and it works fine. Once it's installed, it goes into your app, microphone. Go into the amplifier, put the gain on 4. Don't play with these. On both cases, it's irrelevant. Click this button. If you do not click the speaker button, the microphone feed will be bad and the other person would hear you. I also did, I don't know if you see right here, there's a number 2 on the mic beside the record. So that's microphone number 2. I guess the app will tell you to use either this microphone or the one built external, which is this. So put it on number 2 and then test it this way. You just start it like hello testing 1 2 3. So record. Now you're recording it, you test your sound if it works. That's how I figured out where the gain should be. And if you want to test it out, that's it. Stop it. The file will be saved in here, file manager. Scroll down. Where was it, if I remember correctly? It was supposed to be in microphone, music, Android, no, car choose, yeah, microphone amplifier, and then the sound is saved right there. Click it. Now you're recording it, you test your sound if it works. That's how I figured out where the gain should be, and so that's it. If you want to test it out, and then delete that file so that it doesn't take space. There you go. That's your microphone amplifier. Everybody could hear you well. Gain, audio gain on 4. Turn off this feedback thing, and then put that on number 2. That's all you need, guys. Hope this helps. It's devastating. This is my job. This is, my colleagues call this the Sevax mobile or Epson mobile, you know, because that's where I do most of the work. I mean, I'm on the road visiting clients and so on, so I do need a good communication, a good microphone with my clients. Quick, that's my truck. Hell of a bright light. Those are the ones that you can go red from car trim. Steering wheel, blacked out internal, TRD shift, TRD Pro shift. Oh, I'm gonna do a video on this. This is amazing, guys. This is one of the best wireless chargers ever. I'm finishing the video. It's a magnetic wireless charger, 10 watt. It's really fast. So there you go, guys. Thanks, hope you enjoyed and hope it helps a lot of people. Have a good night.